Hey, what's up guys? Working on Thunder. Just got the oil pan back on and I realized I was missing a bolt, and just for comparison I kept one out so I could find another. And if you're in a bind, Lowe's has some. Here's the part number and the size. It's a 5/16 18 7/8 length. So basically here's the comparison side by side with both the 13 mil socket, and you can see it's just a little bit shorter there. We'll go this way. It's hard to do with one hand. So you can see just about an 1/8 inch shy there, but it works. Already threaded up in it. So in case you guys need that, if you're in a bind, I'd maybe try to see if you can find a 1 inch. But here you go. This is what I found at Lowe's.